Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and in today's video we will be learning word problem from practice set 2.6 of standard 10th, and we will be learning it in a very easy way children. Let's begin with this, the first example of your word problem. The first example says there is a rectangular onion storehouse. So if I am drawing a rectangle, this is the rectangle. The length of the rectangular base is, so let's take length is, so is means equal, more than its breadth, more means what? Plus, more than what? Its breadth, by how much? By 7, okay, meter. Now length of the, see the same English sentence is converted into maths. Length of rectangular base is more means plus, than its breadth by 7. Okay. So if we got this, let us assume let the breadth be x. So if breadth is x, then what will be its length? Its length will become x plus 7. Clear? So we know the breadth also and we know the length also. So length is how much? X plus 7 and its breadth is x. Now what it is said? And the diagonal is, now again diagonal, what is coming here? Diagonal is, so let me write diagonal. What is there after diagonal? Is means equal to, diagonal is more than its length, more means again plus, length what? Length more than its length by how much? By 1 meter. So what is the diagonal we are getting now? We know its length is x plus 7. In place of length I will be writing x plus 7. So x plus 7 plus 1. So the diagonal is x plus 8. So diagonal we got as x plus 8. And what is diagonal in this figure? This is the diagonal, okay, and diagonal we got as x plus 8. Clear? And it is a rectangular storehouse. We have to find the length and the breadth of the storehouse. So children, you can see this figure, this is the breadth and this is the length and this is the diagonal, and it is a rectangular storehouse. So if it is rectangular, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Yes. So in this figure we can use Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So we can say in triangle A, B, C, in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem. And why we are using Pythagoras theorem? Because the angle is 90 degree. Okay? By Pythagoras theorem, angle A is 90 degree and therefore we are using Pythagoras theorem. So AB square plus AD square is equal to BD square, and how much is AB? AB is x plus 7, the whole square, plus AD is how much? X square is equal to BD is how much? X plus 8, the whole square. Now we will be using this equation to solve the sum. Let me draw the line, children. See, x plus 7 the whole square, it comes here what? A plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. And what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So, here x means a, b means 7. So, a square means x square plus 2 into a is there children, a means x into b, b means 7 plus b square means 7 square. So, 7 square plus what? Plus x square is equal to x plus 8 the whole square, again a plus b the whole square formula, this is a, this is b. So, x square plus 2 into a means x into b 8 plus 8 square. Now, what we will get? X square plus 2 sevens are 14x plus 49 plus x square is equal to x square plus 2 8s are 16x plus 64. Now, children, here this x square and this x square will get cancelled because both are on opposite side of equal. What will be left with us? Left is x square. All the term we are going to shift to one side, plus 14x minus 16x, because 16 is plus, when I am shifting it here it will become minus, plus 49 minus 64 is equal to 0. Now, what happens? X square, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, 16, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, so it will be subtracted. 16 minus 14 will be 2x minus 2x, sign of the greater number, 16 is greater, and here again this is minus and this is plus, so sign will be minus. 64 minus 49, 15 is equal to 0. Now, children, see, I have got here 15 with me. This 15, I am going to write it here and I am going to bifurcate it. 15 is minus. I will be trying to bifurcate 15 in such a way that when I multiply them I get minus 15 and when I add or subtract I get minus 2. So, 3 5s are 15 is okay. 3 into 5 will give me 15, but 1 should be minus. Let me take this minus, okay. See, minus 3 into 5 will give me minus 15, but 5 minus 3 will give me plus 2. Yes, I want minus 2. So, what will I do? I will not write minus here, I will write minus here and this will be plus. 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. That is what I want here. So, what will be my number? This won't be my number. My number would be x square minus 5x plus 3x. 5x minus 5x plus 3x will be minus 2x. These number we are writing in x form. Clear? To get minus 2x, minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x and minus 15 will be written as it is. Now, we are going to take the common from this and from this. Yes, what we get? See, here is also x, here is also x. So, I will take x out. If there are 2 times x, so 1 time x will be left here, sign will be minus. 1 is 5, 1 is x, so x is already out, so 5 will be left inside, plus 3, and if 3x was there, 3 is out, x will remain in, minus 3, how many time will give you 15? 5 time is equal to 0. So, this is 2 time, children. X minus 5, I will write 1 time. So, x minus 5 and in bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, what do we get? x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is also equal to 0. So, 5 will be shifting to this side and 3 will be also shifting this side. So, what will I get? I will get x is equal to plus 5 because minus 5 will become plus, and here x is equal to minus 3. Now, see children, x is equal to minus 3 will be rejected because breadth cannot be negative. We have assumed breadth as x, na? Breadth as x we have assumed. So, breadth cannot be as a negative. So, we have to write here breadth cannot be negative. Breadth can't be negative. Therefore, breadth is 5. Breadth is equal to 5. So, what is the length? Length we are getting x plus 7 and x value we got 5. So, length we can write here, that is 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. So, length is 12. Let us write length is equal to 12 meter. At the end you must write down the unit because they have mentioned meter as unit. So, length also we got, length is 12 meter children and the breadth is 5 meter. You can pause and children you can solve the sum. We have the second example children, and in second example it is given that a train is there which is travelling 360 km per hour. 360 km. Total distance it covers is 360 km. The speed of the train is increased by 5 km with uniform speed. Means the speed is uniform. It is travelling 360 km with uniform speed. Okay. Speed is uniform and we have to find the initial speed of the train. Speed, it is travelling with the uniform speed, and if the train speed is increased, if we increase the speed of the train, definitely what time it would take with certain speed which is less than 5 km per hour, then the time will be more and the time taken with increased speed will be less, because now we have increased the speed of the train. Uniform speed and increased speed, and here increased speed. Okay, fine. Let the uniform speed be x. Let uniform speed be x. That is only initial speed, na? Because first it is moving with certain speed, and from point A to point B it is travelling with the same speed, and that is why it is known as uniform speed. It is travelling with the same speed, and let that be x. And if the train speed is increased by 5 km, now here the speed will be, increased speed will be, already original speed is x, now the speed is increased by 5. So, x plus 5 km per hour, okay, and here it is km per hour. The speed, uniform speed is x km per hour, and if the train speed is increased by 5 km per hour, but both time it is covering the same distance, the distance which it is covering with x km per hour is 360 km. Here also the distance covered by the train with the speed x plus 5 km is also 360 km. Yes. Now, when the train speed is increased by 5 km per hour, then it takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Means when the train is moving with x km per hour, certain time it will take, which is not mentioned here. Some amount of time it is going to take to reach or to cover 360 km. But if the speed is increased, it will take less time because the speed is increased by 5 km per hour. So let us find out time taken by the train. We know, children, speed is equal to, let me write it here, speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. And if I want to find out time, then time will move here. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Clear? So let us find the time. Time is equal to what? Distance upon speed. How much is the distance? 360 km upon speed is x km per hour. Okay. And now the time with increased speed. So time will be equal to, time is equal to, distance is how much? 360 again, upon increased speed is x plus 5. Now children, you see this time and this time. This time is 48 minutes less. When the train is moving with the x km per hour, the time taken will be less than this time taken by 48 minutes. So if we want to equal them, let us first convert 48 minutes because kilometer per hour is there. We will convert 48 minute time, 48 minute into hour, divide by 60. This is converted into hour. Minute divided by 60 will be converted into hour. Okay. Now if I want to equal them, this is the time 360 upon x and this is the time 360 upon x plus 5. Here 48 minutes less and here 48 minutes more. If I want to equal them, what should I do? Either I should increase here 48 minutes or I should decrease here 48 minutes. So let us increase here. Then only I can equal them. Plus 48 upon 60. Okay. Let me take this quantity here. So what will I get? 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 upon 60. Now here 360 can be taken out. So if I take 360 common, I will be getting 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5. 48 upon 60 can be divided by 12, children. 12 4s are and 12 5s are. This 360 will come down here. Let us write 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 4 upon 5 and this 360 which is here will come there into 360. Now children see 4 will cancel, 4 ones are 4 nines are and we are getting 90. 5 into 90 we will be getting 1 upon 450. This 450 will go here. Let us first cross multiply this and x and x plus 5 will multiply with one another. So x 1 into x plus 5 will be x plus 5 minus x upon x square plus 5x. How did I get this? X into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x. is equal to 1 upon 450. Now children, see, x and x will get cancelled because this is minus and this is plus. So this will go and multiply here, and 450 will come and multiply with 5. So what will we get? We will get 5 into 450 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 4s are 20, 2250, which is equal to x square plus 5x. Now we will bring all these terms together, and what we will get? See, x square plus 5x minus 2250, which is equal to 0. Now the last term is minus 2250 and we want to bifurcate it. Minus 2250 can be bifurcated into 50 into, let us factorize it, 2250, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, then 5 9s are, then 3 3s are, and then 5 6 are, 3 2s are, 2 1s are. Now out of these numbers we have to select any two number which will give you 5x and multiplication 2250. So 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. See this number, 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. Now left is what? 3 3 and 5, 9 5s are 45. Okay. Which number I am taking? See children, I am taking 5 and this 5 and this 2. 5 5s are 25 into 2 is 50, and 3 3s are 9 into 5 is 45. Means 50 and 45 will give me, when I multiply 50 with 45 I will get 2250. But I also want 5x in the middle plus. So there should be this plus and this should be minus. 50 minus 45 will give me 5, but 50 into minus 45 will give me 2250. So let us do that. Let us use 50 and 45 to bifurcate 5, plus 50x minus 45x. 50x minus 45x is nothing but 5x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Now you have to select common from here children, from this 2 term and from this 2 term. See, here x square is there, here x is there, so I can take x out. X square was there, x is out, so remained is x, plus 50x was there, x is out, so 50 minus, here 45x, so 45 I will take out and x will remain, minus into minus will be plus, 45 into what will give me 2250. Now 45 into 50 will give me 2250. So I can write here 50, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 50 and x plus 50 is 2 times. So I will write it 1 time, x plus 50 bracket x minus 45 is equal to 0. So x plus 50 is equal to 0, x plus 50 is equal to 0, and x minus 45 is equal to 0. 50 will shift here, x will be minus 50. So x plus 50 is 0, 50 is going to shift here, so x is equal to minus 50, and here we have x minus 45 is 0, x minus 45 is equal to 0, 45 will go here, So x is going to be 45. And what we have assumed x as? We have assumed x as breadth. So the breadth is, the uniform speed is, yes, we have assumed x as uniform speed. So what is the uniform speed? 45 km per hour. Minus 50 will be rejected because the speed cannot be negative. It can't be rejected since it is negative, but x is equal to 45 is the uniform speed of the train, which covers the distance 360 km, and if the 5 meter is increased speed will be 50 km per hour because we are increasing it by 5 km per hour. So you can copy the sum and you can solve the sum, children. Let us go for the next sum, children. The first sum from your practice set 2.6, that they two were the examples which we did. Now it is from practice set 2.6 first sum. The sum says the product of the, product means, children, multiplication, okay. Product of the Pragati's age. Pragati's age 2 years ago. P means Pragati. Okay, let me write Pragati's age 2 years back, 2 years ago, and 3 years hence. Pragati's age 3 years hence. What do you mean by hence, children? Hence means after. Okay. Pragati's age 2 years ago and Pragati's age after 2 years. The product of these two is equal to, is equal to 84. Find a present age. Suppose a child is at present 13-year-old. Okay, 13 years old at present. Fine. So what will be the age of this 13-year-old child 2 years ago? 2 years ago, the child's age will be 13 minus 2, that is 11 years. Yes, ago means before 2 years, and 3 years after, hence means after 3 years. At present she is 13 years, for example, okay. After 3 years it will be how much? 16 years. So what we did, in present age we minus 2 and in present age we added 3. So here Pragati's age 2 years before multiplied by Pragati's age 3 years after, which will be 84. So if we don't know present age, here we knew present age, therefore we could get these numbers. But in case we don't know present age, then what we will be doing? We will be assuming it as x. So let's assume Pragati's age. Let present age of Pragati be x years. So if present age is x years, so what will be Pragati's age? Pragati's age 2 years ago. If it is x year now, then 2 years ago will be, we have to minus from present age to x minus 2. And what will be Pragati's age 3 years hence? Hence means after. It will be present age is x. So in that you have to add 3 years. Product of these two age is 84 according to the condition. So according to condition, this is the condition. Let me write it here. According to condition x minus 2 product na product Pragati's age 2 years ago is x minus 2 into Pragati's age 3 years after, that is x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now first number is x, it will be multiplying with every number inside. So let me write x plus 3 minus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 84. So x will multiply with x, that is equal to x square. X will multiply with 3 plus 3x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. I brought this 84 here. It is plus, so it became minus. Now x square plus 3x minus 2x will be plus x, because 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 6 and minus 84 will be minus 90. Both are minus, so they will be added, is equal to 0. Now we need to bifurcate 90 so as to get the middle term x1. So our last number is 90, children, minus 90, and we have to bifurcate minus 90. So 90, 3 3s are, we can do 10 into 9, 10 into 9. 10 into 9 will give us 90, but we want minus, so one of the terms should be minus and my first number is plus. So let me take this minus, because 10 into minus 9 will be minus 90 and 10 minus 9 will be 1. Yes, so I can take 10 and 9 in this here. Let us take this, draw the line here. X square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x square plus 10x minus 9x, because 10x minus 9x is 1, clear, minus 90 is equal to 0. Now from here we have to take common. In this 2 term, x is out and 1x is in, plus 10x, x is out, so what remains? 10 minus, here 9x is there and 90, 9 is out, x remains in, minus into minus will be plus. What term is here should be here? 9 tens are, 9 into 10 will give you 90 is equal to 0. Now see children, x plus 10 is 2 times, so I can write it only 1 time. So x plus 10 bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now x plus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 10 will be shifted here and 9 will be shifted here. What are we getting? We are getting x is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 will be rejected because it is negative number. So what will be the accepted number? X is equal to plus 9, because minus 9 will go here and will become plus. So x is equal to 9. What is x we have assumed? We have assumed Pragati's present age be x here. So what is Pragati's now age, present age? The present age is 9 years. So at the end you should write down Pragati's present age is equal to 9 years. You can pause and you can solve the sum, children. Let us move for the next question, children. The second sum of the says the sum of the squares of what? 2 consecutive natural number is 244. Sum means what, children? Plus. Plus of squares of two consecutive natural number is 244. Okay. Let us first find out what is the consecutive natural number. Suppose I assume natural number starts from 1, then 2, then 3 and onward. Okay. These are natural numbers. But here we don't know which exactly the number is. Consecutive. Consecutive means after 2 comes 3. Consecutive of 2 is 3. After 3 comes 4. After 4 comes 5. These are consecutive natural numbers. Okay. So let us first say if my first number is x. Okay. Suppose if my first number is 4. What will be my consecutive number to 4 natural number? It will be 5. And how did I get this 5? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 gave me 5. So if I assume first number as x, so what will be my second number, second consecutive number? It will be x plus even number. ये कट करना पड़ेगा. वापस से ही करना पड़ेगा. बराबर है ना? Second sum says the sum of the squares of two consecutive which number? Natural consecutive even natural number है ना? टेक्स्ट बुक में इवन है. बंद कर जरा. पेन दे. पेंसिल या पेन. The second sum says the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number. In the textbook, if sum of the textbook it is not there even, but it should be even there. Okay. So even natural number is 244. What is this? Sum. Sum means plus squares of two consecutive even natural number is. Is means equal. This means equal. Okay. Is means equal. Sum of the squares of the two consecutive even natural number is 244. Now how to find out? Natural numbers begin from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But children, here we have even consecutive natural number. 2, if number is 2, what is the consecutive number to 2? 4. What is the consecutive number to 4? 6. And what is the consecutive number to 6? 8. Okay. These are even consecutive natural numbers. But we don't know which number it is. If my first number is 2, then second number would be 2 plus 2. Next number would be 2 plus 4 and next number would be 2 plus 6. So this number remains the same. If my first number is 2, then in every number if I add 2, I will be getting the consecutive even natural number. So if I am assuming this number as x, it may be any number. I don't know which number. Suppose my first number is x. So what will be my second consecutive even natural number? It would be x plus 2. So sum of the squares of the consecutive even natural number x and x plus 2. Okay. it is x square plus a plus b the whole square, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. Now this is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244, which is equal to 0. 244 when I bring here, it will be minus. So what are we getting? 2x square plus 4x minus. See now, this is plus, this is minus, so it will be subtracted. 244 minus 4 will be 240, which is equal to 0. Now if you go to see the entire equation, 2, 4, 240, which can be easily divided by 2. If I divide it by 2, what will I get? This becomes easy for me to solve the equation. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2s are 120. So what is my equation? X square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now I have first term, second term, third term. Now 120 I can bifurcate. 120, which is minus, it is so easy, I want here to 10 12s are 12 10s are 12 into 10 will give me 120, but I want minus, so one of the number should be minus. 12 into minus 10 will be minus 120 and 12 minus 10 would be 2. So let me take this. If I take this, x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now out of this I will have to select the common factor. This is x square, x is out. So what remains in? X into x will be x square plus 12x is there, this x is out, so inside left is 12 minus 10. 10 into x, x is inside, and minus into minus will be plus. 10 12s are 120, which is equal to 0. So x plus 12 is 2 time, it will be taken as 1 time. X plus 12 is into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x plus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Twelve will shift here, 10 will shift here, x is equal to minus 12 because plus here it is become minus, x is equal to plus 10. This will be rejected, children, because it is negative, so rejected. So what is the correct number? The correct number is 10. The natural even consecutive number is natural even number is 10. What is the next number? The consecutive number would be x plus 2, x is 10, 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12. So 10 and 12 are the two natural even numbers. आगे क्या है, कितना समय आगे, इसके बाद ख़त्म हो गया ना, तो वापस जा पीछे. हाँ, so this completes first video on word problem of 2.6 exercise. Let us move for the other sums in the next video. We will be solving other sums in the next video, children. Like my videos, children, share my videos and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you, children, for watching. Hello.